Alright, so before we proceed with our nominees, how's the food, guys? Are you full? You want more? Go get more. How about the drinks? A little bit tipsy, everyone? How's the drink over there? Good? Alright. How about here?